feeling you don't wanna wait. I know that you want me here and now. Know you wanna party, listen to your body. I want to get naughty. Girl, I really like the way you 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 Body, turn it. Let me work it. Yeah. Put it on me, my hands on your waist. Later you can come over my place. I know that you want me here and now. Know you wanna party, listen to your body. I want to get naughty. Girl, I really like the way you 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 Girl, I really like the way Know you wanna party, listen to your body. I want to get naughty. Girl, I really like the way you
Plenty more. You're my hope for the night, oh. Give me more control. Slow down for the night, oh. Let me know. That you down for the vibe. That you down for the vibe, oh. We don't say bye-bye.
What would it feel?
My eyes, then I'm on the rise, oh. I believe by the light. Your body be smiling, oh. Easier than I silo. 'Cause you know, baby, I adore you. Can't ignore you. Hide in my soul at night. I'm out of control, I can't. I adore you.
my mind. I guess it goes like na 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 na.
Anegua modea koragua mwaki Anya chere tati ako hike Anyala mosia dia kora cara Na kera cara weda kaga No, no, no that mire Manake no, no, no that mire kuamudhia kora wa mwaki ania chere tatiga kuhikie anyala mosia dia kora kara na kera kara weda kaga no that mire manake no that mire.
Holy shit, chat. How's it going? Who do we have here then? Baby, if it feels right. What a banger, I know. Crazy. All right, chat. It's time. Time to come say hi. Time to lock it in and make some fucking money as well. If it feels like it's just so right as we dance in the moonlight. You see, you're my delight. Come on then, chat. Let's do it. Big day today. Come say hi if you're in the chat so I know who's here. All right, chat. In 3, in 2, in 1. Yeah, you have to do a little bop to these tunes. You're right. You are right, Mr. UM. Bam, 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 bam. Chat, how are we all doing today, though? Welcome to the streams. What's good, everybody? What's good? Anne, GA, Veg, Ewan. Alfie's here, Marcus. Who else is here? No way. Addy the baddie. Why'd you change your name, gang? I know that it's true. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Happy Monday, everybody. How are we doing? How are we doing? It's a huge day today. Huge day. What's good, Veg? Have to take a trade today, or they're gonna shut my account. Looks like we're full porting then. Looks like we might be full porting. Low key gold looks pretty clean right now. Chat, my gold buys last night. Oh my days. I'm gonna do what the black women do when they're trying to say something they're passionate about. Oh my god, chat. We had the best gold buys ever. Unbelievable, honestly. Unbelievable. But, I mean, no, not but. We made 7k on a PA, which is pretty nuts. Then my runner came and got stopped out here. But we would have made another like 5k or something on this run up, just with the runner alone. Sad times, but we move. We move. But yeah, chat, nonetheless, welcome back to the stream. Happy Monday. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. It really does help out. Really do appreciate it. How was everyone's weekend? What'd you guys get up to? Anyone do anything interesting? And let's get into a little analysis here to start off the stream. So, we have some big news today, chat, I think, right? Or at least this week we have big news. We got a bicep on gold on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's kind of already gone. Oh, Mr. Powell's speaking today. That's what it is. Powell's speaking today, and then you have... oh my days. Wait, what just happened? What just happened? The hourly just ripped up off the open. Unbelievable. Bam, 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 bam. Drop a like on SG so SG can make some, so we can make SG do some cringe stuff. Whoa. I never agreed to this. What's good, Darius? Yeah, chat. So basically, daily on gold is looking pretty interesting here. We have... I mean, I called this out, right? We made a big bottom wick. Weekly time frames made a sky dweller here. Literally a weekly sky dweller. My buys were down here, bro. I genuinely think if that runner didn't get stopped BE, I could hold this all week. But we move anyway, nonetheless. Chat. Hourly's pushing up. 2 hours pushing up. Problem is, right, you're tapping into some strong areas here on gold. So, maybe we can use the model that I just taught you guys with the OTE to get a little re-entry. Maybe we can do that. So let's take a look at some key areas here though. First of all, we have closure above this level, which is nice at 570. You have a level down here at 518. And then you need a closure above, I would say 619 for the buys. TRLS paid indeed. Yeah, if you close above there, you've got room all the way up, like literally all the way up towards 718. So if we can get the buys after here, that might be okay. But what we can do, chat, is we can add a little bit of source to it. We can place a little OTE tool out here. And we can look for buys after we come back down into these areas as well. But it might take a while to do that, to be honest. It's like an hourly OTE, is kind of insane. Maybe you could look also for a retest. Yeah. Retest to this level, I think, is good. That's like OTE 6. Wait, let me draw a little level here. OTE 62 to 65. And then also you have like down here as well. But we'll look for this one first. That's it, you're finished? OT what's? What's good, Eugene? How you doing, man? OTE. Insane, huh? Alright, chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. It's going to be a big, big day today. It's going to be a big day. We're going to get some nice little positions. Low-key, chat, I just passed the funded account this morning in one trade from Fresh. That was low-key an insane feeling. I passed the funded account from Fresh to passed in one trade, 3K. This OTE source is stupid. I'm gonna add it to the course as well for the mentorship students. I'm gonna add it to the course because low-key nuts. Chat, let's look at NQ real quick though. NQ's Mr. Bearish. NQ is so unbelievably bearish. You would hope to see like buyers step in around this area. Chat, you've got a nah, I'm not even gonna say it. You got a weekly FVG. Unreal. Nah, I'm joking. I don't actually use that shit. But last time we had a big dip like this, you did see buyers pretty much step in pretty aggressively. So you want to see a similar thing today. Oh, not today, like this week. NQ, yeah, it doesn't look the best, Veg, to be truly honest. If I'm trading NQ, I'm looking for sells after like a retracement into. To be fair, that high would have been okay. Maybe a retracement back into. Buys will be above like 23,932 around that area. You could get sells off this area again to come back down to 23,100. If you close below 23,100, we were saying this earlier, right? On the chat, I did a pre-market analysis in the free Discord. If you're not in it, then what are you doing? But yeah, if you close below here, you've got room all the way back down to 2200s. What firm you passed? E8 funding. I've been using them a little bit recently. I've actually got a series coming out with them. I'm going to start filming it. It's going to be pretty sick. I'm going to be trying to take a account from Fresh to payout. I was at your pre-market? Yeah, Magdalena. Welcome to the streams. I saw you in the pre-market. How's things going? Sir, can I have $25, please? Who's this right here? Because that's Dua Lipa, and I don't know if I can be listening to Dua Lipa, so I'm going to skip it. The next one... Oh, no. Why is it cute Doja Cat? Nah, that's even worse. This was a good playlist until 1 or 2 songs ago. What's good? How was everyone's weekend? Bussin', man. Bussin'. I'm literally a new Padel world champion. What the flick? What is this? This was a good playlist until earlier. You were busting? Crazy? I was, mate. I was out and about busting all over the place. Sell on what? A sell on NQ looks okay. Gold sells look pretty whack, to be honest. I want to see us come back into this area, chat, for some nice little gold buys. Would be nice. Chat, this trade I took yesterday was so fucking good. Why did it have to come back and get me? It just had to come back and get me, eh? I mean, I took 7k on it, but... SG took an NQ sell to keep my traded fire? Alright, fire. Oh Oh my days. I genuinely think I caught the bottom, by the way. Like, my buys were like somewhere here. I think. Yeah, they were like here. But I also had the sell chat. Yesterday was an insane day. I had the sells down from here, right? Was it here? 22, 30, something. Yeah, I think so. And then I hit BE on those somehow. I was up 4K and it came back and hit me BE. So I could have actually made like way more than 7K yesterday. I made 7K last night, but I could have made way, way more. Wait, what just happened? Why? Wait. What just happened, chat? Are we? Wait, someone type something in chat because they just said that everyone just got booted off. You guys still here? You good? Alright, weird. It says, okay, I don't know. Very strange. It just went to 0 viewers, like, for a second. Well, it's still on it. Fuck it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, chat, those gold buys were ridiculous. Unbelievable. This OTE source is going to be, I think it's going to be a game changer. It's going to take TRLS even higher than it already was. How's everyone's Monday, though? Anyone get any positions so far? Any trades? What is this? Holy. Chat, new stream layout. Loki, that's actually quite cool. I take this off. Oh my days. Just a big face on the screen. I don't like my layout. I need to get a new stream layout. Chat, I'm thinking about streaming on YouTube a little bit more, to be truly honest. It's quite fun. We used to do it every day, obviously. Explain OTE. OTE stands for optimal trade entry, right? It's basically a tool that you can use to see where price is going to retrace into. For example, the trade I took yesterday was based off of this OTE here. Oh no, it was here. Right, we tap into 6265, have a nice reaction, and I dial down to the 1 minute. I've got an Instagram video on it. Actually, I just dropped an Instagram video yesterday on it. But if you want to use OTE, you just get the fib tool, and then you copy these settings right here that I have on screen. Right, you just type all these numbers in, doesn't really matter what order. And yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see you get some pretty clean reactions. Like, you just draw it on, well, there's a proper way to draw it, right? But you can also just draw it from like one high to the other, basically on a leg, on an entire trend. SG just made 1% on my Tradeify because they made me take a trade. Took the flip on NQ. Fire. Good stuff, Edge. Chat, I hit a monster trade on Tradeify last week and actually last night. Gold sells on the open last night for like 700. Chat, this one Alpha Capital account that I have, literally this one Alpha Capital account has paid me, I've made $16,373 on one account. That's the power of one funded account, right? If you can keep it and, you know, treat it well, risk appropriately, you can make so much money. US dollar share of global foreign currency reserves have fallen to its lowest level this century. That's not very good, is it? What's good, Malenko? Was speaking to Jay last night about ACG. No, I had no idea how crazy it was. Yeah, it's pretty good, man. You can use code SG at ACG as well to get 30% off, I think. Pretty good. 100k? Nah, it's a 200k, but still. I mean, 16k is still 8%, right? And actually, now that I think about it, it doesn't really matter what size it is. Where you live in Cyprus? I live in Limassol. Limassol. Wasn't really a Cypriot accent, to be honest, but there you go. Government address or something. Limassol, indeed. We love Limassol, man. Such a great city, chat. The weather's popping at the minute in Cyprus as well. It's so nice. So unbelievably nice. What do they say in Limassol? Malacca? Yeah, they say that in Cyprus. It's basically like, they say it for everything. I can't explain. I got a feeling that I can't erase. Where's my lawyer here? Let me just send this off, chat. One sec. Alright, cool. Every day, Malakias. Yeah, I was playing paddle yesterday with some Cypriots, and literally every time you beat them in a point, they go, oh, Malaka. Pretty funny. Quite like it. Hello from Nicosia. Hello, hello, hello. Crazy stuff. All right, chat. So we have a 15-minute closure here coming in like, well, 1 minute. Pretty simple. NQ. Wait, Bedge, you took cells on what, like the 5-minute or something? 30-minute maybe? That's crazy. No positions? But I have gooped. Ewan, what'd you get? Chat, anyone in here play Arc Raiders? Arc Raiders low-key goated. I hope Jay's not in here though. Alright, chat. Low-key, the market's been like literally moving insane recently. It's been so cooked. That being said though, we've been gooping over here in the fucking TRLS Academy. Catching mad codes. By the way, boys, if you're not in the free Discord, make sure you're already in there. It's very important. That's where you'll know everything about like any announcements that I have, any TRLS updates, the free courses coming out, the TRLS live event. It's all gonna be inside there, right? Whenever I do giveaways in there, loads of shit. I may be sheltering. I'm getting word you're harboring a bobcat of the state, are you not? Alright, gold closed bearish here, chat. Maybe we can get a pullback. This OT you're saying is to do with a different instrument, not gold? No, OTE. Like this, OTE. It's just a fib retracement tool with specific settings, right? Bang, that's an OTE right there. I mean, drawn out. For example, you see? Actually, this is a very good example. Let me show you this, guys. This is a very good example of OTE right here. So to use OTE, you very simply draw it from the high of one move to the other. So you can draw it on different time frames. For example, we have a very strong 5-minute move from here to here. Right? So if we just go ahead and put this into replay mode, you see we have a strong push up on the 5-minute. And now you're thinking to yourself, well, I missed the move, clearly. You think gold's going to push up, but you missed the move. You don't want to enter here because it's already made the high. So you want to wait for that lower high to be made. Higher low to be made, right? But you don't know where that is. So you draw out the OTE from the low of that move to the high. And then you look for any of these areas to get tapped into. On gold, I like 6.2 to 6.5 here. It's very, very, very efficient. So you can just draw that little box out. Just remember what it is. And then you'll see, as we go forward, oh my days. We just tapped into exactly the midpoint of between 6.2 and 6.5. So you simply wait for that tap, wait for a reaction, bullish close. You go ahead and place your position like that. Retarget the highs, you know, and you can see it cooks pretty nicely. And that's how you use OTE. Simple, right? Holy shit, Coach SG is back. Mr. Trend Lines. Where's my drawings though? Give me my drawings. Oh my days. I deleted my lines, chat. I deleted my lines. Where were my levels? Someone tell me. Here. And here, right? Yeah. I'm getting word you're harboring a bobcat of the state, are you not? Oh, it's still on replay mode. I was gonna say, I swear gold's pushing down now. Easy peasy, chat. Easy peasy. By the way, boys, it's coming into summer. Anyone got any cool plans for summer? Any trips? Low-key, I want to take a trip. I don't know where, though. Where should I go? Should I go to Miami and become a LARP full-time? Full-time LARPer. Using OT in combination with TRLS? Nah, yeah, in combination. Like, if you watch the Instagram video I made the other day, Sky Dweller plus OTE is very simple, profitable model. That was not proper English. Very simple, profitable model, yes. Da, хорошо. Interesting. By the way, boys, I'm bringing out a new vlog, hopefully today, maybe tomorrow. Day in the life. You guys have been asking for a day in the life for friggin' ages. Day in the life of a pro. For fuck's sake, press enter before finishing. Yeah, you fucked it there, guys, because now the joke's gone as well. So, realistically, you've cooked yourself. Guys, we have 10 minutes here till New York Open. NYSE Open. Chat, I'm seriously getting word. Ewan's harboring a bobcat of the state. Where's Jay at? I know I'm cooked. Yeah, it's not good. Not ideal. Oh my days, chat. I need to go to the gym today. I haven't been to the gym in so long. I'm gonna lose all my muscle. Jay's busy today? Bro's not allowed to be busy. It's against the rules. Mad. All right. Okay. Cool. Crazy stuff. Chat, low-key, Trump has been murdering the markets recently, hence the title of stream. These guys are just manipulating, like, allegedly. These guys are manipulating the market like crazy. Just pop a little tweet out. Make sure someone you know is positioned beforehand. Can't lie though, I would 100% be doing the same thing if I was the president. If I was president of the US, I'm insider trading 1000%. Sorry, my YouTube is bugged. 1 view. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps glitching like this, bro. There's no way it's one. Well, obviously it's not 1 view. It keeps glitching like crazy. I don't know what's happening. Wait, 1 sec, chat. Let me try something real quick. I might have to turn the video off for 1 second. Alright, chat, are we back? We're back. Something was wrong with the stream. It kept saying like there was stream issues, and now I fixed it. It should be good again. Hopefully it can fix itself now. But now it's zoomed in like crazy. Brilliant. I'm gonna have to build out a fucking entire stream real quick. Give me a sec. Oh my days, there he is. Isn't that guy in the bottom left corner of the screen super handsome? That's what I heard. And wait, I need... Oh my days, chat, oh my days. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Alright, fuck it, we'll leave it like that. Cool, chat. Alright, nice. Hopefully the stream should be better now. It should be smoother as well. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. Does it still say 1 viewer? Is it still glitched? It says 1 watching. Brilliant. 1 watching, but there's like 30 people in chat. I low-key fell off. What's good, Rentero? How's it going, man? 0 watching. Chat, please drop a like on the stream so that YouTube fixes itself. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. We've got 5 minutes left till the market opens here for New York. Chat, I've been cutting for summer, yeah? I've been trying to get shredded, and oh my days, I'm literally hungry 24/7. It's mad. But I'm also getting shredded, so I don't know. Yeah, like I've been playing paddle as well. Bro, chat, how did I not know? You burn like 1,600 calories for every game of paddle you play. 1,600 calories for every paddle game. That's mental, bro. That's literally so much. It's a cheat code. I'm gonna literally be Mr. Shredded by the end of summer, or by the start of summer. Now you don't? 90 minutes of paddle is pretty... They must have you running mad? Nah. It's just... Guys, you know what it is? My smash is so powerful. The force that's required to generate so much power through my arms takes like maybe 200 calories per smash. Buys on gold? Not yet. What's good, Future Eyes? Welcome back, man. Ain't no way 1,600 calories. Try running, like sprinting backwards and forwards for 90 minutes. At 90 kilogram weight. One punch SG, exactly. SG is trash at paddler, needs some serious coaching. You've got me. You've got me. I'm low-key goated. I'm low-key goated if you think about it. With somebody who loves me. Right. 2 minutes here, boys. Is the market going to go cray-cray on the open? I'm gonna dance with somebody. Playing. I know a guy, Mr. Bro. Not Mr. Bro. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the goat has appeared. Yeah, I've been here for like 30 minutes now, bro. You're a little bit late to it. I have a question on your ACG trade. Don't they have a 40% consistency rule? No, I don't think so. That's Alpha Futures, no? Like most CFD firms don't have consistency. Oh, we're ripping up here on NQ chat. I think we might see a pretty decent move on the open. You've pushed up relatively far. Maybe sells off the open would bank, but I'm not that degen, chat. I'm not that degen. I know a couple of traders that literally make so much money and they just port the open. That's all they do. Can't make any more money on my PAs today. Holy flex. Holy flex. Nah, GG's though. All right, chat. 40 seconds. What was the analysis? My analysis was that I caught the bottom yesterday, and I should have just held instead of closing out for 7K, like a fool. No, low-key though, I would have got hit break even. Just by like a couple of ticks. In fact, chat, look, I had a runner open. My entry was like... How did I get hit BE? My entry must have been like here. You caught buys? Yeah, I had the sells as well, but I hit BE on the sells last night. Had an insta TP. I saw that, bro. I saw that in the Discord. That's huge. By the way, chat, market just opened here. 30 minute on gold, closed bearish. Oh, and NQ's ripping down. What did I say? We're gooping, we're gooping. I can't believe I just passed a PA this morning as well in one trade. How many games this week? Oh, I don't know, bro. I was meant to have a game today, but I'm gonna go hit the gym instead. How many trading days do you need on Tradeify? What do you have? The select plan. By the way, chat, if you want to get some new Tradeify accounts, they are literally fucking cooking right now. 30% off Tradeify select plan. Probably the best plan in the fucking business. You can use code TRLS to get the max discount. If you got the select plan with the flex option, you only need 5 trading days. If you got the select plan with the daily payouts, which is what I have, you only need 1 trading day. No consistency on that as well is so nice. I'm low-key just gonna let trades run on it. Like the other day I had a $1,000 trade on it. And then I had a $800 trade. Not having to worry about consistency is pretty cool. Lose my mind. Boys, great news. Let me guess, you got to Grand Champ in Rocket League. That's my guess. That's my... Oh, chat, look at this price action. This is literally the chud action. Made 1.3k last night, then lost 800, and then I made 500 off of it back on the open. W. But you should have been done the moment you made 1.3k on your fucking PA, especially because Apex has consistency. You silly man. What's the reason for most Forex props not having a consistency rule? I don't know, bro. It's just like, there's just payoffs, right? Forex props are more expensive, but they're harder to pass, easier to get a payout. It's one of them ones. It's literally a payoff. Or trade-off, sorry. I'm a goofy Gerber. Goofy goober. Nap time? Isn't it like first thing in the morning over there? Unbelievable. Yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Right, boys, we're back. We are back. 8:30 a.m. Yeah, what's this guy doing, man? How's he going for a nap at 8:30 a.m.? Surely you've just woken up. Working the night shift now? Wait, so you're napping at work? This guy. Chat, remind me to never hire Rentero, ever. Guy's napping at work. Literally classic movie, Hollywood movie security guard. Sat back in his chair going... Oh, and chat, what did I say about NQ ripping down off open? Low-key, chat, this close could be nice here. You could get some nice sells to continue downwards. Does not look atrocious. Moving because I sold? Ah, yeah, bro's moving the markets. Institutional level trader. Respect, respect, respect. Yeah, by the way, I dropped a trade recap on my Instagram of the trade that I made 7k on last night. If you guys want to watch it, it's definitely a good watch. You can definitely see, I don't know, it's a good insight on how I'm managing the trade, etc. Oh my days. Can you imagine, bro? Chat, because I only left the runner. I know I'm speaking about this again, but I think this is an important teaching point. You can't let big trades run back on you, because I only left the runner. Because I thought this would go way higher. I thought that would be like the low of the day, and it turns out it was. If I would have got the actual entry here, that would have been the play. But my entry was like here. I got tapped to BE just. Imagine if I would have let 7K come back to BE, and then it ran all the way without me, chat. I would have been so pissed. You can't even imagine how pissed I would have been. How much would that have gone for? Wait, let me just load up a paper trade. Because I had the equivalent of 30 minis, right? Stop loss here. I was risking like 2K. Bro. Oh my days, chat. I don't even want to look at that. Wait. Chat, that ran for 45 bands. Imagine I fucking let that run for $45,000 in one trade. Low-key soon, chat. Soon, I think that'll be happening. Genuinely, I think that will happen soon. Payout denied? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, to be fair, if I got 45K, then definitely. They would have been like, no, what's good, Cat, by the way? What's good? Yeah, they would have been definitely like, very sorry, but unfortunately, you're banned. Just LARP it. Big LARP. Just came to say hello and show some love. I appreciate it, man. About to hit the gym. What are you training? Is it with Alpha? Yeah. Chesty? Nice, same here. I'm gonna do that later. Wait, where's my... Where was it? The 5-man... Yeah. No, wait. Yeah, I basically want to see a retest into this area here. Am I tripping? Why does your MGC look... chat, there was a contract change last night, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think they changed the contract. So I think you need to go ahead and actually... do the like adjust thing on TradingView here at the bottom right. Click this button down here. Yeah, Loki, I was trading on Tradeovate last night and it literally... You legend? Pleasure. Oh, chat, 5 Skydweller here. Loki, though, I think we come further down. 2 hour doesn't look very good. 4 hour doesn't look very good. There's no way, bro. Nah, you pushed up all morning as well. But genuinely, those buys, bro, I could have held them from the fucking... like, literally... It was here. No, not the very bottom. It's like here. Bro, I reckon you could hold... If you took that and I didn't get stopped BE on the runner, I reckon I hold that all week. No joke, I was going to take the same buy as you, but I missed my alert. You know what's crazy is I literally made an Instagram video yesterday on the exact model that I used to take that trade. So if you literally just watch my Instagram, you would have literally made... You would have been able to take the same trade for free. You know how mad that is, chat? Look. This was the fucking trade... Not the trade breakdown, the model breakdown, right? Where I explained the OTE entry model that I've been trading. Right here. And that was posted yesterday, like last night, 21 hours ago. And then literally one fucking post later, we hit the monster position with that exact model. But I reckon you hold that all week. I see gold now on the weekly coming back towards like previous week high. I mean, this is previous week high, so minimum here, but like, if it decides to run, you've got a lot of room. What's NQ doing? I told you guys, sells off the open were clean. NQ's overall bearish, right? You have to understand this. Daily's made a top wick first. You can see this daily flipping and continuing downwards. You got the 4 hour now flipping bearish, along with the 2 hour, the 1 hour. I genuinely think NQ sales look really, really nice here in the next 15 minutes or so. Problem is now stops are gonna have to be really big. You need to see it come back a little bit first. Tom, did your indie smack this or what? Oh my days. Yeah, Loki did. Unreal. Oh ho. Boys, gold's coming back into the area as well. Let's see what it does here. What have you done in terms of draws as well? Oh, chat, we made a new update to the indie as well now. To my indicator. Oh. Yeah, that's good. Whoa. And now it puts like a trade on your screen. It's kind of funny. We took previous day highs though. Previous week high looked pretty clean to take. I don't know. We'll see, chat. We'll see. Till at least 315? What do you mean? NQ? Yeah. I think we could come all the way back down. Would that be the weekly high though? I don't know. Chat, if this weekly wants to flip, it's literally got nothing stopping it from coming all the way down towards like the 2200s. Like if this does want to start to push down, chat, you literally got nothing here. This candle here is just completely free. You can mark out oh my days, chat. Not the weekly FEG. But nah, like it's realistically just clean traffic all the way down if it starts to make some good closures. $15-minute closing here, by the way. Yeah, my voice low-key really hurts. Oh my days, chat. We tapped into the level. If we get a Sky Dweller now, we could take a look at gold buys. What's this guy's indie saying? No, it's nowhere near. Problem is, you have like a 4-hour level here as well. Why is YouTube bugging? It keeps saying like 1 viewer. That's cooked. Yeah, we've got 0 viewers, but 20 likes. Makes sense. Actually makes sense. Oh my days, chat. We might be printing here. We might actually just print here. I'll genuinely take a look at these gold buys. If the 5 closes bullish, you'd be looking at like something like this. Take you back up towards the highs. But it has to close above these highs to the left as well. It's very important. Chat, anyone catch anything after the open yet? Normally, like first 15 to 30 minutes after the open's a bit crazy, but it's not really doing too much. Top wick's been made. I just don't know why we'd stop here, right? I mean, to be fair, I did tap in here. I don't think gold comes. Yeah, it is possible, to be honest. It is possible. I think genuinely you come for like, would you not come for previous week high as well? I would argue that you should. It's pretty clean highs to take out. Over here. We'll see, chat, we'll see. Either way, chat, if this move is going to continue upwards, this would be a decent place for it to react. I think NQ comes much further down, to be honest. You think it's not got too much open on volume? Oh, wait. That was low-key retarded. You think it's not got too much volume on the open because of the time change, but no time change in Asia? Nah, because the banks... Like, the reason why there's volume on open is because, like, the New York banks start trading, right? Like, I think they figured out the time change and shit. I think people overestimate the amount that retail traders actually play an impact on the market. Although, that being said, I do think there's a massive increase in the amount that retail trade will have an impact, right? Would they do that for Asia Open? I guess not, no. So yeah, I guess it depends. Oh, you mean the open, like market open. Sorry, I thought you meant NYSE open. To be fair, yesterday's market open was really, really aggressive. I'm so late. Yeah, that's actually disgraceful from UJ. Yeah, all right, we're pushing down here. So I do think we could probably come further now. If that was going to be the rejection, right, you'd want to see it happen straight away, not like reject and then push back down. Because that's just essentially just gone ahead and made that lower high, right? To continue even further. Oi, Tom, you'll never guess what Jay did on Art Graders yesterday. You'll never guess. Check Discord. Alright, one sec. Where? Holy schmolies. Bro went ahead and passed. Congratulations. Just run into a room on his ones and lose all his stuff. How did you know that, Tom? How did you know? Because surely he hasn't done that before. W though, Alfie. Good shit, man. That's huge. Mr. Funded. Five weeks in TRLS, let's go just to start. I know, that's crazy, bro. Crazy. TRLS been smashing it? Yeah, Loki been killing it. Seriously killing it. Only 5 weeks, jeez. I know, crazy. From 5 weeks from not funded to funded is pretty crazy, pretty insane. And chat, if you want to get results just like Alfie, all you have to do is go ahead and type in !mentorship and fill out that form. Nah, good shit though. Mr. Bro. Oh, see, that's actually the wrong link as well. Because I changed my domain name. Because you see, we had trls.io, now we've got trlsmentorship.com. I think that's way cleaner. All right, hopefully that fixes it. Hourly close here in 9 minutes, boys. This looks like it's going to absolutely melt. My baby girl's due Saturday. Bro, I didn't know you were expecting. Congratulations, Mr. Dutty Bags. That's huge. Excellent stuff, truly. You gotta call your baby like Pippa for Pips. Nah, I'm joking. I'll call her Sky Dweller. Reason I bought the house? Yeah, that's sick, bro. Congrats, honestly. Love to see it. Her name's Alina. Cool. Very, very cool, man. And then you got Eugene, the very next chat. Cheddar or feta. Unbelievable. As an Englishman, though, you've got to go cheddar. Like, you can't really be talking about feta cheese if you're an Englishman. Oh, my days. Look at the 4 hours. It's going to flip on gold. Literal holy schmolies. Alina TP Brayley. No, you got to put take profit. You can't abbreviate it. Or you could you could squeeze it in somehow, like Alina, Thomas, Powell. Then it's like TP, you know? I don't know. You get the oats? What are you on about? Oh, the OT? Yeah, we're just waffling right now. You can tell how shit price action is by how much we tend to waffle on stream. When price action is just absolute jizz, we end up just, yeah, degening. Let's call her Sky Dweller. Yeah, fire. Yeah, Eugene, actually, that's a good question. Where are you right now? Are you back in the motherland? Or are you still in, where are you? Thailand? No planes? Why no planes? Just go stay at Dutty's house. Easy, free apartment. Got banned from every plane ever. Holy shit, that's not good. That's not ideal. Alright, boys, 4 minutes. $4,000 a month. Wait, do you mean baht? Surely you mean baht, not GBP. All right, chat. You know what this calls for. We missed the move. It's time to start LARPing. Let's just pretend we took the position. We'll give ourselves like a... You don't want to be too over-aggressive, so we'll give ourselves a decent entry. Yeah. Start LARPing. Always works well. Old Faithful. You see them docs? No, not yet, bro. The SG files? No. I'm under arrest. I'm under arrest. Don't tell me the files got leaked. Whoa. GA. Trying to get me put on a Mossad hit list. I don't know where they are, but wherever they are, I hope they are comfortable. Hmm. All right, chat. 2 minutes to the hourly close. I'm not gonna lie. If I don't get anything here, I'll probably call it because if this doesn't form, it might be cooked. And I've already taken a monster position earlier. I don't realistically want to force anything here. The Tradeify accounts are up. The Alpha accounts are up. E8 accounts are up. Yeah, this is cooked as well. You in this? No. Danny, we're laughing, bro. We're laughing. Don't worry about it. Yeah, W laugh indeed. Oh my days. I think we might be cooked here, chat. I mean, the 4-hour sky dweller cells look great. The stops are gonna be like, what even is this? 63-point stops. Even I can't do that, chat. Even I can't do that. NQ's even worse as well. Unless you get the mega pullback. 268 points. Son. Unless you get a pullback into like here somehow. What's the actual definition of LARP? It stands for live action roleplay, right? It's basically just someone pretending to be something. But the traders use it now for like fake traders, obviously. Oh my god, guys. We're about to leave a 15-minute fair value gap right here. If we can get a retracement and then a delivery out of this gap, we can get some nice little shorts targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And that is every single LARP Miami traders model in the world, I'm pretty sure. Low-key, watch it play out as well. Ah, Mr. Woods, the Woodman. What's poppin'? Big Wood? Nah, Mr. Woods is quite short apparently, so you have to call him Little Wood. Unfortunately. Excellent raid, gentlemen. Excellent raid. I think we might be done, boys. I think we might be done. Wife's birthday too? W. Gold buys from 4528. Based off of what? Low-key gold sells look nice right now. 4-hour close. You could take a 4-hour flip, to be fair. The thing is, I'm overall bullish on gold for the day, right? So it's like, do I really want to do that? Check trading chat. Oh my days. Save both evals, almost 1k from one and 2k from the other. Holy schmoly. Mr. P&L. That's huge. Oh yeah, shit, chat. It's a new quarter tomorrow. Not tomorrow, sorry, Wednesday. Wednesday's the new quarter. New York Open right now? No, it's half an hour ago. Get your timing right, man. God. Yeah, chat. I can't take anything here. I think NQ comes further down, so you could maybe take the flip, right? With stops at the current candle. But for me, I've already taken some nice positions today, so I'll most likely be calling it, and I'll be trading in the free Discord later. So if you're not already in there, we do a Q&A every single week, as well as like pre-market analysis, all that sort of stuff. I'm always in there. Recently as well, the boys have been doing like VCs every night for Asian, which has been sick. So if you are in the Discord, make sure you're active so you join those VCs. And basically get a free trading stream as well. I'm pretty sure they're pretty... Well, I was in one the other day. They're quite fun. Very fun. What do I go to 30 minute? I'm good. I'm just going to leave. I'm going to be done for the day. I think the main move's already been made for the day, in my opinion. Low-key as well. I'm kind of ill. I need to recover. So, boys, I think that's going to be it for the stream. Hopefully, you did enjoy it. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. I'm bringing out a day in the life vlog, hopefully today. Otherwise, I'll catch you boys later. See you boys in the Discord. Peace out. Much love. See you all later. Bye-bye. Oh, this is a screamer as well, though.